Hello and good morning, my dear friends. How is everyone doing? How was your trading day? Did you see gold? What it did? Oh, my friend, it was a very fantastic move yesterday. Anyways, tell me, my friends, how is everyone doing? Can you see my screen and my every today I did everything. Let me also quickly activate this epic pen. Let's see. Just one moment. Jawad, Jawad. Just one moment, okay? Okay. My little son was riding the bicycle in the corridor, and there are the stairs. So, my little son, that three-wheeler cycle, that childs have. One day I will show you. One day I will show you. Yes. One day I will show you. So, what I was saying, can you see my screen? And my audio, video, everything is clear. And tell me who is with me in the chat. Also, do tell me this. Who is with me in the chat? Stranger 2895. Good morning, my dear friend. No, I did not traded it live. Okay, I did not traded it live. I'm explaining. Just stay with me. How did I took it? I'm explaining. That's why it is displayed here. Come here. Come here. Jawad, come here. Come here. Why you are so shy? Come here. Say hi in the webcam. Say hi. Here, a little bit. Here.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, they here. Okay, go and don't. Thank you for this. Okay, Jado. Thank you for this. Good. Go. By the time I end my stream, he is already asleep. He sleeps so early, so early. So I sort of like miss him. So before the stream, I hug him. I play with him so that after the stream. Anyways, what I was saying, yes, I was saying I did not took this live. Okay, yesterday. This silver trade, but before this silver trade, I want to discuss this 0.05 gold trade. Oh, my friend, it was a fantastic one. Let's find out where was this trade. Find out. Today I will be having tea in the live stream as well. I just told my wife to make me tea. there is a lot of stuff going on. How do I find out the last trade? I mean the last one. The last trade from yesterday was right here. This was to the buy side. I guess again something happened to my MT5. I mean, what is this? Yes, this is that trade with how much pips? With 68 pips. So $18 that came. And there was 0.01 buy as well from 41.51. So I closed that in, yes, same amount of maybe loss. Okay, I guess this was that buy. That buy was this or maybe this, but somewhere it was closer right here. Then this silver point zero, this silver 0.01, if you see. This I traded very late. It was not in the live stream. So it also gave me good profits. I guess I closed it in the morning. Okay. So my friends, this is the progress till now so far for this week. And if I'm lucky enough, I can grow it further. But who knows, I can lose it as well. I mean, whatever it is, it will be in front of you. Yes. Everything will be in front of you. Don't worry, my friend. This much don't worry. This much. And today again, market will be giving us a trade. Yes. This is I'm telling you. And if it doesn't give us a trade, will mean that today was not our day. We are not in those traders who just chase the trade opportunities. No. No, 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 no. Not at all. So clear. This silver and this pound dollar 0.01 I closed yesterday in the live stream. So let's head over to that pound dollar trade a little bit. Oh, my friend, look at it. Pound dollar finally gave me that breakout. Where is pound dollar? First of all, here. Something has happened to my mouse. Okay, I click once and it takes twice. This breakout occurred. This one that I was telling all of you for 2 days to pray for me. See, I just clicked once. What has happened to this mouse? I have a very big trouble with this mouse, my friends. I can't tell you how much big headache this mouse give me. I can't tell you. Hey mouse, again don't double click, okay? So I was saying this breakout, my friends, occurred, okay? See, this breakout yesterday occurred. And now I think I am in a better position to move my stop to break even. Congratulations, my friend. I am now risk free on the pound US dollar. So I will be looking at these other pairs as well, but yes, gold as well. What gold did, huh? Who is with me in the chat? Let me head over to you as well. He will become a good trader in the future. Well, I hope so. 7 watching, just 3 likes. Okay, my friends, I do mind this thing when you don't give me a like. I do mind it. You 7 watching and just 3 likes. This is not justice, my friend. This is not justice, because what I am going to share with all of you, no one in the entire history of YouTube would have shared such knowledge with you. Honestly and truthful. Yes, this is true. Okay, no matter what, everything that is going to be shared on the channel is pure truth. Yes. So my friend, look at this beautiful chart. Again I will be looking at wow, Wow, my friend, just look at it. Do you also see what I see? First tell me this. Do you also see what I see? But I think what I see, you also see that. So I think I might not be. Let's see. Oh, my friend, just look at it. Now, my friends, just tell me, isn't it a beautiful trade opportunity? Wasn't it? Yesterday I discussed it. Yesterday. And now see this level, my friend, is still holding the market. And if it dropped till here, we already knew it is going to be dropping till here. See, till here. We already knew. What the market maker thinks? They will play tricks with me. Nah, my friend. No, 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 no. Not at all. So don't worry. We will be getting a trade, my friend. But when? When we wait for the market. When we don't wait for the market is not going to give us a trade. Why? Because for example, if I don't, like, I have not studied this chart right now, and to me it seems bullish. Again, I'm telling you, it seems bullish, but I have not studied it yet for trading. So without studying it, let's say I take this entry right now. Who knows what is going on, which time frame? Yeah, who knows where, what is going on the H4, what is going on the daily and other stuff. And don't think so. If it is showing bullish, it will be 100% going bullish. No, no, my friend, no. Everyone must change this behavior. Uh, who is with me in the chat? Just Sony Mon 2009. Can you change candle color from white to some other color? Well, yes. Why not? I can. But I was like saying, is okay. Some people have. Well, my friend, I like black and white. Can you see or not see? Just tell me this. If you can see, that's fine. If you cannot see, or if you just dislike the black color, then I like. If you cannot see, I will then change. I definitely will be changing. Yes. What I am sitting right here for, I am sitting for all of you right here to guide you, because most of the traders right now, at this moment, right now, is struggling. And not just struggling, people are going to fool that trader, those traders, those million of traders. So yes, it can be changed, but then I have to change the green one as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I was saying that I have not studied the market till now so far. And if I immediately enter into the trade, what will that mean? That will mean that Aftab became emotional. Aftab just traded the emotion. And my friend, emotions are not going to take us anywhere, okay? Forget this thing. Anyways, enough jokes. Let's get back straight to work. Okay? I will be having tea, then we will have some more chit chat. Make sure to check out my yesterday's stream. As per the price action, I want to ask you what this daily candle potentially can do today. Because if we learn this thing, let me write it down actually. And this is now, from now on, I will be asking you question. Yes, my friend, please don't mind. what this daily candle mean to us for intraday and day trades today? This is a question from you. Come on. This is now a question from you. What this daily candle mean to us for intraday and day trades today? You need to answer this. Till then, I will quickly check Forex Factory. Yes, my friend, I will be quickly checking Forex Factory. Who knows if I take a trade, for example. If I take a trade and there is a big news and I don't know about it, I must say to myself, Aftab, what type of a trader you are if you are trading but you haven't seen the fundamental activity. Congratulations, my friend. There is no news today. Oh, I'm so happy. There is no news today. News days are a little bit hectic. Yes, there is no news today. Ah, there is bank holiday. Low volume day today, my friend. Low volume day, okay? I'm now again more happy because I can get good scalping chances. Good scalping chances I will be getting today. What this daily candle mean to us for intraday and day trades today on the lower time frames, when I will be switching right now from the daily to the H4, H1, M15 and everywhere. What this daily candle can tell to me. Okay, good. Stranger, the daily candle shows some bears are in. This is your point of view. Good. Sonimon, your background is white and candle also white. Yes, bring. Wait, okay. My tea has just, what did I say? Arrived or like what? Don't worry, my friends. Listen. Okay, nothing. Don't worry, my friends. This market is not going anywhere. Not at all. Try to take care of your wives, okay? Take care of your wives. Yes, my friend. Yes. See? See? I had to go first now to the refrigerator. Then I had to turn on the, what they say, the burner. Then I had to wait for that milk to melt on the fire. Then I had to make the tea. How difficult thing this is, my friend, and I get it free. I mean, like, I get it nut free. Obviously, the milk, tea, and sugar and everything I bring, but like I get it ready made. So, well, yes. Didn't you, my friend? My stream is incomplete without you. Have a tea. Oh, my friend, have a tea. Once you come right here to my place, I won't let you go without having tea with me. This is our ritual. Yes. Right now, you search in the Google Peshawar. You will know Peshawar is the place of hospitality. Right now, copy paste it. Ask from Chat GPT. What about Peshawar and Pashtuns? Yes, place of hospitality, my friends. And right here, you know what? I treat this place as my sitting area. You guys are sitting with me. Yes. So I was saying, yes, Stretzer, you are right. This daily candle, if we see, what it means for us is that it still can go against us still here. Okay. Let me clean some of the yesterday's drawings because obviously I may not be able to read them further or need them further. Let me hide these. Let's hide this as well. Okay. Now let's see. Let me hide the trade history as well. And now it's good. Let's delete this as well. Let's clean everything. Okay. Let's delete this as well. And this is for now. Let's also delete this one. Now it's good. But I definitely would like to highlight this yesterday's low. My friends, this yesterday's low, see right here. See. And even I discussed this the whole week. I traded this right here as a sell, maybe this one. For sure, I did it. So this is that level. See, we have a very strong candle right here. Now what this strong candles tell us? This strong candle tell us that this level was very strong. And why we have, this is the daily time frame, my friends. So 1 2 3 consecutive days in the past on 22nd of October 2025, then on 23rd of October 2025, then on 24th of October 2025, market tried to break above, but it cannot. Why? It could not. Why? Because this level has something in it, and if I sum up the level, it is 4130. Okay, the line shows 4133, but overall this is a whole range of 4130 and 4140, this zone. So I was saying this daily candle still can come back down on me till here, and it should be in my mind, because this information is going to help me in the intraday. When I will be switching right now to the intraday, it will definitely be helping me. Rest my long term opinion and everything, you know. Okay, so yes, right here if we see the H4, obviously if I'm looking for an intraday, I must definitely be looking for H4 candle. That okay, how the H4 candle after all closed. Let's clean up the chart a little bit further. This 4133 is a level that I have told you that if price come back down, it will be a daily candles retest. I mean the yesterday's daily candle low was right here. So today there is a probability it can retest it. But does that mean I'm going to sell right here, or I'm saying it is a sell? No, my friends, not at all. So if I read the candles, the H4 first. Listen, okay, because this is very much important for all of us to understand. And I know these things, but I have to do what? I have to, before, like, see, I'm going to take a trade. So when I am going to take a trade, I have to find out that okay, I see on the daily chart, I saw okay, what is the probability? For example, that information from the daily time frame can help me set my stop losses for the buy, or maybe take profits for the sell. Okay, now moving on to, I'm coming to that H4, but for now let's see a little bit this H1 as well. My friends, today stay with me because you are going to learn H4 showing something else and H1 showing something else, and in between we have to trade our own direction. So how is that going to be? Because right now it is clearly showing me a bullish sign, but H4 is showing me something else that I will be explaining in a moment. And the uh, H1 is showing me something else and H4 is showing me a different story. First let's see this H1. Yesterday, if you remember, this was a very good place, okay, and how big candle then formed. You will remember I was looking at it for a buy. You will remember. So it gave around, move was around 354 pips. Rest it depends on you. This is once, and then this is obviously twice. Then tell me, my friend, if everyone out there is losing money, why is losing money, huh? You tell me this. Because not understanding the markets clearly. Why? Because we always try to chase the markets. Now, it's not going to work this way, my friend. No. I think I have a little bit. Again, I'm sort of like taking stress when speaking. Okay, just one moment. I have a request. Let's see, first change that color. Background color should be what? Bull candle. Let me make it this way. Okay. Yes, my friend, it looks so good now. Can you see now? Now it is separate from the background. Now have a look at it. See, market consolidated right here, consolidated, came back down, took a support, and from the support right now, if we see, I want to ask you this question. Tell me, can you see this pen writing? Let me check it as well. Yes, it's good. So, my friends, the thing is, you know, what is this candle telling me? As a trader, I want to know this. This is a bullish engulfing. And what is the situation? Let me also tell you this. This is on the H4 of bullish engulfing. And this candle is still holding, okay, the one that formed yesterday. There is some calibration problem in the pen, but bear with me. Then what is the situation on the H1? On the H1, the situation is right here. This is a bearish engulfing. Which clearly means what? Oh, which means that on the H1 plus H4, traders are confused. And why it is happening? Because of the bank holiday in USA, United States of America. So even if this level is supposed to be broken, I'm not sure with low volume how that is supposed to be broken today. I'm not sure. But at least let's suppose if I am going to buy, at least I can target this. And the level comes out to be 41.73. Clear? Now, do I need to take a buy or not? Because from the yesterday's stream you will know that as far as the market is trading above this, as it is trading above this, and right here we are bullish, we are not bearish. But since we have low volume today, so what's next? If I switch to the 15-minute, there will be a tight consolidation zone right now instantly. If I show you right here, just see, there is some consolidation going on in the market. So with a big bearish engulfing candle followed by a pin bar. So what does that mean? Let's also find out swing high to swing low and the trend line as well. Obviously, trend line is trading as this. So good. Who said it is not good? I say it is good. This is a good sign. Let's change the color of it. How blue will look like. Good. Now move to the 15 minute. So on the 15 minute, we need to wait for the market, my friends. We need to wait for the market. Why? Because it can drop on us as well. So in other days, we can recover our loss very quickly. But today is a scalping day. If I'm stopped out today on a bad trade, I will not be feeling very well, even if it 1,000 times showing me a buy trade. Once I don't get a confirmation, I am not going to trade. So then today I have to talk about the patterns as well, not the candlesticks, but the other patterns. Let's see first. Ah, my friend, this tea is very good. Sunny, you are happy I have changed the color of the candles, okay now? Not yours, not mine's. I kept it in the middle, gray. Okay. Now you will not be getting upset on me. Okay. No. So then if I see the 5 minute time frame, wait, okay, my friend, there is something else going on. Let's wait further few minutes. What do you say? Shall we give this wait for this to complete first? Because to me it is showing me this. But do you remember yesterday's session? Do you remember what I say? I cannot sell as far as it is trading above 4150, and I clearly explained that as well. So that trader is clever enough who wait for the market today. Because I see this market is too much indecision at the moment. Let's see if I get a trade right here. Maybe I can trade. I was a little bit upset today. I'm telling you why. But first, let's see who is with me in the chat. Didn't you? Thank you so much. Yes, 41.65 yesterday it pushed. So I was sad today. I was sad and I was saying that okay, with the energy with which I live stream. Here I want to do some personal talking with you a little bit as well. Since we are waiting for the market, because I'm not in those traders who just blindly will be trading. What the market makers think Aftab will be blindly trading? No, my friends, not at all. No, I will properly give this move to the market. You know my nature. I give one move to the market. See, I mean, look at it, okay? Look at it. If we trade it in this zone, maybe yes, from right here I can buy from 4150, but proper confirmation, my friend. And right here I can also buy. Let me first count. This is a very tiny zone. Okay, this is a zone of how much pips? 19 pips of an SL can potentially, let's see, give me how much? 36 pips, because today is very slow. Today is very slow. What happened to the MT5? It's okay, my friends. Sometimes relaxing days are very good as well, because these brains inside our mind, they are not machines. They get tired. They do what? They get tired. Yes, and this is totally true. I'm telling you. You can ask a psychologist or someone. See, in normal days when I take a trade, immediately it give me 20-30 pips. Today it is just hardly 6 pips. But I say it's okay. Sometimes we need to slow down in life, in trading as well. Because if we don't, then the chances will be we will be sometimes taking trade from here and there and there and there. And at the end, losing. Nothing else but losing. Complete losses. My friend, I say that we need to relax our minds as well. Because if we don't relax our mind, what will happen? We will not understand this market the way it is supposed to be understood. And one should understand what I say today. Because later, the consequences of not understanding the market mood, the consequences can be way too harsh. As I say, I will not be hiding anything from you guys, okay? Because I am not selling right here. I am not a representative of Forex trading right here. This gold is not the property of my dad. Right? This Forex market, this MT5 is not the property of my dad. Okay, who made it, who didn't made it? Oh, those stories you know already. So I'm not afraid of anyone, and I will be telling you the truth. And the truth is this, okay, that if we go without planning into a market, the market is going to drag us very badly. Remember, by taking a bad trade, one can make good profits 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. But this behavior is not going to be lasted forever. No, it's not going to be lasted. So I was telling you I was a little bit sad today. Ah, my friend. I was telling you yesterday, if I hit 20k subscribers, I am going to take you to Natya Gali. Natya Gali is a hill station right here. Very beautiful, my friend. Tomorrow I will show you that a little bit. On my channel, if you go, I went last year as well, and I uploaded a short video form that is on my channel. If you go, I have very fewer shorts, maybe 2 short videos. You can see it right now. I shoot that video there, the new year wish. I shoot it there, but this time I will be taking you in a proper vlog style. Proper vlog. So we still have three tomorrow left. And wait. Oh my friend, I did not change the number of the session. Oh ho 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 ho. Today is 59th. Let me change the title. I'm saying why this mark. Okay, it's good now. So today is the 59th number session. 59th. How much? 59th. Thank God I remember. Can you guys please remember me these things, because I usually forget. As I grow older, my memory is getting weaker as well. Now let me sit a little bit comfortably, because seems like even if the market is slow, no problem. Still we will be getting our share from it, my friend. Yes, we will be getting our share from the market. Don't worry. So it was supposed to be giving us a breakout. Saifullah PSM. Thank you so much for changing your name. This is now excellent. Okay, Saifullah PSM Peshawar Sabzi. You are right. It's good. Thank you. I'm good. Thank you so much, Saifullah. This name suits you now. Okay, this suits very good. That other one was very long. This name is good. This is good. 14 watching and just 8 likes. Okay, I do mind this thing, my friend. When you don't give me a like, I do take it on my heart. Yes, I do take it on my this heart. Okay, and by the way, this is the right side, the left side. This is the left side. Okay, but in the camera, because of the mirroring effect, it may seem to your right side, but anyways, let's see right now. Since I have clearly mentioned that today a little bit indecision is going on the H1 and the H4. Okay, because the H4 is to the bullish side of the market. But there is one more thing I want to tell you. If it continue with the same stop loss, it can give me how much profit? 161 today. 161 pips today, my friends. uh, let's see it candle by candle. I mean, like, look at this level, and if we get a break above this, see, remember my friends, these patterns do appear time to time in these markets. This is us who need to understand them properly. We need to do what? We need to understand them properly. Now, why it go bullish from right here? Do you want to know? Even on this tiny candle, on this tiny, it is struggling right here, because this is a sort of 61.8% retracement of this swing low to swing high. But this is a 1 minute time frame, so obviously may not be respected that way. But whatever it is, I have to tell you this. We need to now see that, okay, what this market is going to do. Everyone, every newcomer, please have a seat in the chat room right here. Do ask me questions. You know, if I tell you, this market is on this ABCD to the bearish side, okay, but I am holding a buy position with 19 pips of a stop loss. Why? Reason: For the reason you can also check out my yesterday's stream, but also I want to tell you right now that this is a breakout level yesterday. Let me show you. Let me show you. And this is yet to be achieved. This one 4188. So who knows, that can be today, but then we will need proper stop loss, my friend. Proper stop loss, I mean around 4128, around 280 or some pips. But let's see, I might be closing it if it gives me a close below 4155. Okay, since today is bank holiday, so markets are a little bit. Don't worry, my friend, we will be getting a trade opportunity today. Yes, we will, if not this, the other one. But first let me change again, move it stop to how much? Yes, I think this 19 pips is enough for it, because then there is this pattern as well. Then if it drops on me and if I my stop loss is big, then I will say okay, I wait till here. Then if it is not respected, then I will say okay, I wait till here, and this way it will take too much of my stop loss. No, 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 my friend, I don't like that at all. If it go bullish, it go bullish from right here. If not, it should go wherever it want. We take it from somewhere else. We take it from somewhere else. Didn't we see? This market is full of opportunities always and always. Total inspection 9237. Hello from Kenya. Wow. Kenya is a very good place. You know the tea, the black tea. This is from Kenya. In Pakistan, they bring it from Kenya. Please change the color of your bull candle. They are not visible. Lost because of the similar background color. Okay, another message came. My friend, let's change it then. If another message also came, let's change. Bar up, black, bar down is black, bull candle. Let's change it. See, stop loss is gone. Okay, it's good, but now both seems darker to me. Wait, okay. No, I want to make it a little bit other green. There are a lot of the greens, my friends. Which one should pick for a green? Huh? This is also important. How about this one? Very light color green. I think we can now differentiate nicely. How is it now? Tell me. Is it okay? Let's see. Okay, my stop loss is gone, my friend. But now I think it is doing this first. Okay, 4150. I might be buying if it drops till here. And who knows, it can go further dropping. I think the volume seems to be appearing right here. Do I need to book my 19 pips quickly from right here or not? 16 pips further, I'm taking a risk. I think this market is in a full mood to drag me today. But my friend, I am not afraid of these market makers. If they want to stop me, they stop me. I will have no regret. Why? Because my direction is correct. My direction is correct. If the day is for low volume day, that's not our fault. Let's see these others as well a little bit. This hit the take profit. Euro GBP. Anyone get a chance to take a sell from right here? It was a good move. but maybe we can I will start to trade it maybe from here. So let's see. GBPAUD gold DE40. Wow, do you see, guys? Do you see this breakout, this retest, this continuation? Didn't I give you this trade? I gave you this trade, and I that time I said this is the profit in terms of thousands of pips, and it is really in thousands of pips. US 500 broke this structure. We traded. I didn't traded it, but I analyzed it for someone. So that person traded it. US 30 nothing, Euro JPY nothing, DXY broke this structure. There is a gap is filled, market is on a retest. So on this retest, if it drops, gold go up. Okay, pound JPY nothing. Okay, nothing. Silver nothing. Silver and gold move the same way. Dollar JPY, my friend, see, wasn't it a beautiful level? Oh my friend, oh, look at it. Pound dollar and USD JPY has the same pattern. But the thing is, I get a chance to trade GBP USD, see a double bottom. But I did not get a chance to trade dollar yen. No problem. I will trade it some other time. And this USD CHF, let's see, I'm not trading it. Euro US dollar, I'm also not trading it. Though in the weekly forex forecast, I say this is a selling area. So with 35 pips going in favor, with 58 pips people are holding it. So I'm not sure if they are holding it, how much profits they are going to get from it. But oh, I think some guest came. But I think that now this market seems a little bit, maybe just 19 pips I will be booking from it. But overall I can book around in such circumstances, because since we have low volume today, so obviously I will be treating it as a separate breakout retest level. What do you say? Can't I consider it as a breakout and a retest level separately? I will be. As a trader, this is my duty to separately treat that in such you know, we need to understand this volume thing as well. Since like this is a very common concept. This is a very common concept. How? Everyone know that today is a bank holiday in the USA. New York Stock Exchange is closed. Who are going to come into the market today for trading in the New York session? New York is closed. These little hedge funds and these tiny market makers, I should say, tiny market makers, see, literally everyone is right now on the bullish side. But my friend, then I also did a mistake. I'm also on the buy side of the market. But do you think how everyone would be to the buy side of the market? Only those who really understand the market. Those who don't understand the market are most probably selling on the basis of this candle. I'm not saying they are wrong, okay? But this is my own methodology. This is what I personally think for myself. And yes, similarly it goes slightly up, drop. Maybe this time it slightly go up and now it can again drop. But 4150 and 4155 is the level to be looked for tiny buys today. This is not a signal service, okay? So I was telling you that I am sad a little bit today. 19 watching, just 11 likes, okay? My friends, how many times I tell you, see, I even offered you my tea right here. I mind this thing, please make it 19. If you 19 are watching, please make it 19. One person left, he said, oh, this person is very crazy. Movie land 247, will gold break 4170 today? Can you analyze Nasdaq also? Well, Nasdaq, let's see. Yes, Nasdaq, why not? My friend, why? For what I'm sitting right here? But it doesn't mean you will get the analysis and will run away. Ah, my friend, you have to then stay with me as well in the. Can you tell me the symbol US Tech? I guess it is Nasdaq. For Nasdaq on the broker, on the trading view, they call it Nasdaq, but it will take a little bit time. Okay, first see, I will be waiting for this chart to load a little bit, so then I will be coming to the Nasdaq as well. Something has happened to my mouse today. Okay, so let's see the 5-minute candles. Okay, the 5-minute candle closed bullish engulfing, but this candle can come back down, take a retest of the previous low, and then who knows, is it going to really go back up from there, or is it continuing further down? My friend, no one knows these things. We have to be well prepared. Before taking a trade, we need to set a proper stop loss. Now let's move to the US tech movie land, or who asked me for the analysis? Rayan Malidu. Okay, good. Let's see. Monthly first. Monthly stuff, monthly. There is no data right here. No. Let's see it on the weekly. Okay, it's good on the previous week. First thing first, mark support and the resistance levels. We did read the candle. This candle is yet open, and for the 3 weeks market is dropping. And right now this weekly candle is the previous as at the previous weekly high. On the daily, let's see, it is bullish. Can become bearish today. Let's see what on the H4. On the H4, it will need a little bit thought process. Okay, because see, I'm thinking about it. Okay, because I cannot blindly give a trade opportunity, because I have to read, I have to understand, and then I will be able to analyze it nicely. Yes, because if you came to my stream, obviously from my side I should give you the right opportunity if I find anyone. Well, my friend, the thing is, I have this swing high to swing low. Okay, simple. And if I do the Fibonacci stuff, then we will say we need to observe this level. It can be a potential sell zone as per the Fibonacci strategy, and if the sell is going to come, how much it will be dropping back to 23.6. Now let's read, this trend line is making some trouble, so let's see, this is on the H4, it is telling me. Now if I do it this way, you will clearly understand what I mean to say. We have a low volume today, so I think maybe till tomorrow or next week, as far as if I clear my statement, you see this level 25,323. As far as the market is trading below this level, we will say it is going down till here. Clear? Now on the H1, I'm not sure for how long you are holding, or what you are looking at, but seems like to me it is seems like it is standing at a sell price point. Okay, if I zoom in the candlesticks, they are very tiny, very little volume, so yes, this is then a good level. Okay, this is a very good and fantastic level. Now move to the gold and see. Wow, my friend, look at this. Now let me tell you one more thing. If it continue in my favor, my friend, there is also an ABCD pattern right here, even on the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame right here as well. Right here. 41.65, and we can also take a sell from there. This is not a trading signal or something, but this is just my personal opinion. But obviously this level I will be observing. Stay with me, we are going to look at it. No problem, my friend, no problem at all. As I say, the market will be giving us a trade, it will be giving us a trade. Now if I'm not booking this 21 pips of a profit, this is my fault, huh? As an intraday trader. So if you guys are trading 0.10, 0.15 or 0.05, I will say book this 22 pips. Around 50, 60 or $100 profit it is for the day, enough. I'm holding a little bit smaller position, so I'm holding a little bit more long term. Always welcome Rayan Malidu. I hope I pronounce your name correctly. Let's move again to the lower time frame, and then again let's find it out that after all, see, let's study this structure a little bit. See, pay very close attention, pro stuff I'm going to tell you. This level discussed yesterday, so I don't want to go into the detail. 41.50, not just yesterday but even before that as well. Market go bullish till here, it's fine. Till here it was still in this downward trend. It consolidated a little bit and broke this structure, took a retest, continue back up, find this level, and I don't want to go into the detail of it because I discussed it yesterday. 41.60, 41.62, then it came back down. Now pay close attention, my friend. What is this level? This is A, this is B, this is C to D, even on the 1 minute, and this is 61.8% retracement. Now it came back down, and this is again a 61.8% retracement, so who knows, it can create a pattern right here as this, and then it continue bullish and even break this one as well. You got what I said? This is the bullish scenario, and the market will be remaining on this bullish trend, but for that this pattern should be surviving, because that's why I tell you to book profits, okay? Because if this pattern doesn't form, will mean that it is going to stop me out, and then it will be coming back down right here, and then from here I will be looking for a buy position. Clear? I hope it must be clear for you now. But first let's see if it continue bullish or not. This is market has to decide it. Did you understand this pattern? Remember it, okay? Because these patterns do appear in the market again and again, and they will be giving us profits. Most of the time they will be giving us profits. Who is with me in the chat? Loki Victor, my friend, how are you doing? Now we have to see. New York session is not going to open, but let's see who appears instead of the NYs. I mean, like, no. I think it is then doing this. See, on the lower volume days, markets are behaving as this. And shall I tell you one thing? On the low volume days, people lose a lot of the money because they chase the markets, not holding to one side of the market. Let's closely look. I want to enjoy my stop loss being hit because the trade opportunity that I took was good. Now if I didn't book the profit, I didn't book it the profit because I wanted to see more profit. And in order to see more profit, I have to be into the market. And in order to be into the market, being in the market is not free of any risk. So 1 minute left. Let's see how this H1 candle closes, and then we will easily understand that okay, what this market is going to do further, because technically it seems like maybe it is also into a range or something. But let's see, my friend, 41.30 and 41.40 is also a good zone. Yesterday how much profit it gave? 243. What do you think? Today it will be not giving us profit. Well, let it confirm and then see how much profit I book from it. So let's patiently wait for it. See, those traders who were with me right here without giving me a like, they saw the analysis and they run away. They saw the analysis and they run away. This is not something very good. I think so. 41.53 for very tiny take profit. This one, no, it is broken. Maybe 41.40 or 41.50. I will say this is then a good scalping buy, okay, and I'm waiting for it. 41.42. Approximately the level is 41.43.60. Let me add a line right here because I want to see for a reaction right here, and once the reaction comes I will be buying. But it doesn't mean I cannot buy right here. I can buy. I will be buying. Why? Because this is my level. If I don't put risk or stop loss on my own level, do you think I will be taking the risk with the market makers side? No, not at all. But this time, my friend, I want to be booking profit. Yes, I will be booking profit because this is market. This is market. I will be closely observing the RSI, and then since the bulls are trying it their level best, I want to first. Do you think I need to book this 21 pips first? My stop loss that got hit, or shall I wait for 41.55? Because technically this is a retest level for a sell. Yes, on the lower time frame. So if I'm not booking, at least I should move stop to break even, because let's see, okay. Later if I'm stopped out on this one, I take another one. Take another one. No problem, my friend. No problem at all. This much don't take tension about the market. We are just going to be stopped out with break even. See, this candle is trying to retest the low of the previous candle. But then as per that, the stop loss should be right here. Okay. Let's see. This much don't take tension. My stop loss seems to be survived by this candle, but let's see what happens for the next candle. If this candle is a woo candle, that will be so fun. If not, it means it is coming further down and breaking it as well. But I mean, this break even stop is way too compromised, okay. So maybe then let's see. Okay, because these are also sellers, they are not going to, because the in the if it is survive this 15-minute candle, the next 15-minute candle will stop me out, because let's see, who knows, this momentum on the 15-minute is to the bearish side of the market, and now the sellers would like to break this level back to this 4140, and then 4140 they will be trying to take it further up. So let's see. Okay, oh, it is so closer, it is very much closer, my friends, but no problem, I'm anyways on a break even, so who cares about the stop loss? No one. Let's see, market is going nowhere. Try to, even if when I'm not live, try, dear customer, your debit card against this is charged for PKR 490 at Google One London GB. Expenses from every side. Google One London GB. Okay. If you debited it, so what should I do? You did it, so just give me one moment, okay? Oh, my stop loss still survived. Oh, this trade needs to be, this is, if it go further up, this will be an award winning trade, because see, it was so closer to my stop loss. But I'm not sure, who knows, it can hit, break even, stop me again, but I mean, like, you know, no, I have like no further hopes. Let's see, a man should always be hopeful. This candle is now holding the market, okay, and if it fails, means market is crashing down, so then the sellers will be putting stop losses right here and will be selling the market. Yes, it is gone, break even stop is gone, but no problem, my friend, I want to wait for this. Okay, I just want to wait for this level, I just don't want to trade 4150. Let's see, it will become now more clear for all of us. My god, who is again with me on the phone? This dropping. So we let it drop. We wait for good buying level. No problem. No problem at all. Who was that? WhatsApp. Let's see, okay. Oh, Victor, I will get back to you. Okay. This is my equity 1268 at the moment. I had a plan yesterday. I had a good chance to trade 0.05 after the live stream, but then I said I'm not live, so I should share it with you guys as well. One was this factor, the other factor was I was also so tired, and the other factor was it was giving me profit, so I said, Aftab, let's book this profit, we will get another one, we will get another one. So then I book it, then I booked that profit. I said, okay, this is good. Now let's see, we are going to get good volume today. By good volume, I mean good candles today. Let it reach till here, then we see. Then we see, my friend, nothing is going from our hand. Most traders do what, you know? Randomly trading. Why randomly trading? If I know that this market is now hit 2 or maybe 3 SLs, they were small, but the SLs were still SLs. The level was still a buy level. A buy level is obviously failed. So now we need to do what? We also need to wait for another buy. It doesn't mean we are going to sell right now. Who knows? It can be a market trap and later this candle close pin bar and continue bullish and we are just like scratching our heads. No, my friend. No random trading at all. This market has not yet booked this candles low till now so far. And this H4 candle is not closed as well. So who knows, this candle come back down and take. Didn't you see yesterday how beautiful this candle came down? Everyone was selling, 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 selling. Did you remember I said don't sell? Don't sell at all. Why did I say that? Because these were buying levels. I have no magic, but the level was for a buy level. Check out my yesterday's stream, you will understand this whole stuff. So we properly now wait for it. This is one level, okay, and let's see on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute. Let it break this zone, then see what I do. Let it break. We will be waiting for a break, or we will be waiting for it to correct itself back down, because now our good buying zone will be right here or right here upon a proper confirmation or candlestick pattern if we get it. So two candles formed, one is this one and two further we need. Then we will say okay, what we need to do. What we need to do. Because see, as soon as the bull appear, they disappear. This will be that confirmation that okay, if it is broken, it can continue around 80 pips up. But then if it break below, it is continuing down 86 below again to the downside. We are now stuck in this particular range. So, and yes, one more thing. Traders try to judge me with one single trade. My friend, you spend time with me. Then you see this particular trade opportunity and this method that I have. Then you decide that okay, if this method works or not. You just try to match the frequency first. Once you do that, things will start to get easy for you. I promise it. Every day I tell you these things. Every day. And since like most of the traders then again and again keep repeating the mistakes. Oh my friend, if you are going to take a risk, why you are not taking that risk at the right level after proper confirmations? Why? I just need an answer to this. And obviously you should ask everyone, because you are my audience. I know you are following me, my method. So you should ask everyone in the forums, wherever, if that is your friend or someone. Why you to ask them why you guys are not, if you need to understand it, okay? Everyone, if one is going to take a risk, risk is a risk, can be taken anywhere. I can say I want to buy 100 lots right here, but market slightly move a little bit against me, I will be shaking. Oh, my equity is gone. So my friend, if I open a bigger lot, my hands must obviously be shaking with a tiny bit of an opposite move. Will it or will it not? Put your hand on your heart and ask yourself, whatever I said, is this correct or wrong? You will get your answer. So we need to take a risk at the right place. And one thing I tell everyone, that most of the traders are focusing on the now. Just rewind my stream later or watch yesterday's stream. Yesterday is more good because I shared more concepts yesterday, and even the day before that. Today my energy is a little bit down, so maybe I'm not in that sort of a mood. I'm a little bit upset as well, my friends. I need 20k subscribers by the end of December. I need it. So I was saying, what? Ah, yes, I was saying, if I take bigger lots, obviously my hands will be shaking. Why? Because look at the equity and look at my position. So properly managing. So I was saying, yes, I remember. My friend, now this level is how much candles it spent right here. I will be keep hitting my SLs at each and every buy level. Each and every buy level, okay? This is that zone. So let's see swing high to swing low. Because my friend, we also haven't yet seen this ABCD pattern completion. So the good level obviously is this. So now my friend, then I will be booking quickly something from right here, not holding it too tight with the anticipation that it will be giving me more profit. What the market makers think, I don't understand them. I do understand them. No, I want to manually leave this position. No, I will be waiting for this level, okay? For this level. Now I see a further 74 pips drop. If let's say if I take it but then my friend, the thing is I have to put 132 pips of a stop loss as well. This is also one thing. Since it is dropping and everyone is selling, then let me find a candle for myself, and as soon as I get it, I am right now into a sell. Now this sell is a verified confirmed confirmation taken from the 15-minute time frame. But slight mistake I did. Slight mistake what? Because if I was selling, pay close attention. If I was anyways selling, why I did not sold from right here? See, I would be in 112 pips of a profit by now. Why? Because on the H4 there was something else, on the H1 there was something else. That's why. So I will say, okay, I just wait till here, and the take profit is 56 pips and the stop loss is 49 pips. Yes. So this is how it is at the moment, and we will be looking at it. We will be looking at it. How it treat us. Till then, you guys give me a like. I'm keep hitting my SLs in front of you, so I think I deserve a thumbs up on this stream. I need it. Now let's see. I mean, like the sellers, obviously, when they see this C to D leg, this is this pattern, this is this pattern going on in the market. Understand these things, my friends. Understand it. Understand it, my friend. You are getting free of cost right here. You just see it this way. Train your minds to identify these patterns. See? But 100% nothing is confirmed. This one must keep in mind. That 100% nothing is confirmed. These are probabilities. Even if a trader spent 50 years in this market, still that trader will be working on probabilities. Okay, so the bulls appeared. Now let's see if these bulls have any strength or something. Mm, Yes, maybe it can continue bullish till here. See, when the market is slow, then I will need to sell from here, and I also don't want to become a seller for long term. So I think I just want to give it my stop loss. Okay, I want to compromise on my SL. Yes, my friend, I want to compromise on my SL, and now the problem is slight problem I have faced, but let's see my friend. Okay, now I see something else. When the market is slow, it is behaving as this, because the stop loss is obviously liquidity is up there, and I'm holding it as this, so the chances are just like 70% losing, that it will 70% chances are that it will hit its stop loss, and 30% chances are that it will come back down and it will hit the TP. Yes, if I sum up, 70% is to the bullish side. Now let me head over to your chat. Let me head over to your chat, my friend. No problem, let it hit my stop loss again. Remember, my friends, there will be good days, there will be bad days. I have seen all types of days, okay? So, if market makers think Aftab will get afraid, no, my friend, I'm not going to be afraid from the market maker. Even if the market maker hits thousands of my stop losses, I'm not gonna be afraid from them. I should follow pure technicals. So maybe if it hits and it come back down from there, I can then focus on obviously some buying. But this time I'm going to be adding a proper buy, okay? Position buy. Let's see a little bit on the clean chart. Once again, if we have any other further proceedings on the lower time frames or stuff like that, let's delete everything. Let's see. Now the situation is this H4 candle is going to close, which was bullish engulfing. This is going to close this one, and it has not yet retested the low of this. So still there is a probability, but if it continue bullish, my friend, it is then going to break this one as well. Because on the H1, if we see on the H1 right here, let me show you, something else is going on, you see. Wow, my friend, then I think the stop loss is supposed to be right here. Let's see it right here for now, but then the take profit is obviously going to be too big as this. I'm anyways holding a very tiny position, and then I need to wait for, there are so many zones right here. First I want to wait for it, then I want to switch to the M15, and I want to see that okay, is this level going to be a really for a buy or not. Then it will say okay, this level can make some trouble, and see, this is that same zone where the H4, see this low block right here we have. So let's see, maybe I can carry over this trade further. And yes, if I'm stopped out, I cannot do anything, because there is a lot of liquidity up there. Market will definitely be going up there. So what can I do? 242 pips I have to give to the market, but if it continue in my favor, it can give me 392 pips. Then maybe till tomorrow, maybe today, who knows. And this, at the start of the stream, what I said, this candle has not yet tested the low of the previous one. So obviously emotional buying has occurred right here. Emotional buying. And now seems like maybe if it continue down, it can overall come back down to this zone, my friend. Oh, this will be how much? 838 pips. Wow, that will be so good. That will be so good and fantastic. But obviously, let's see first what we get. And I can trade to both sides of the market, okay? Where is the chart gone? Market seems dropping today. These three candles, if failed, wow, that will be a jackpot. So let's see what it gives us and how it gives us and whether it takes us out or what it do to us, to me. If the market maker thinks Aftab will get afraid, no, I will not. Because even look at this as well. I am following pure technicals. Rest, if it is going to stop me, that's the market choice. It should stop me. Simple. Simple things, simple stuff. But if it go break above and retest, then I might be adding a hedging buy, okay? Don't forget this thing. I will be adding a hedging buy. But let's see. Let's first see what it gives us at this level. Let's closely observe. Make sure, I request you and I highly recommend you to check out my yesterday's stream, because I shared valuable information this whole week. Even today at the start I give you the bearish and the bullish engulfing concept, and this whole week I spent on the bearish and the bullish engulfings. Then the next week I will be spending on the patterns. There is not one thing that I should tell you in one day. There are so many things, my friends. There are so many things. And see, when you trade lower lot sizes, you can set bigger stop losses as well, and the account will grow tremendously. It will grow. It will grow. Because from 11th of November till now so far, this account was on 11th November when I was live streaming. You can check the live stream on November 11. This account was $960. Right now it is, some trades are floating right here, so I'm counting the balance right now. 1256. Do the difference. 960. Let's minus 960 from it. So 6 minus 0 is obviously 6. And 5 minus 6, obviously I will give 1 to this. So 15 minus 6 equal to 9. And since I gave 1 to this, so there was 1 left. So 1 minus 9 cannot be minus. So 1 and 1, 11 minus 9, 2. So $296 of a profit. Now 296 divide by how much? 960 multiply by 100. So let's do this, okay? And 2960 divided by 96. So let's first divide it by 2. 2 into 8 is equal to, no, 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So 16, 48, and this becomes 2960 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, so 960, 2 fours are 8. So 160 market is also going up, so let's see. So 140, let me do with the calculator, I am grown older. From 11th November, 960 was the account, okay? So 296 divided by 960 multiply by 100. 30%. This is up with this way. Okay, 30% up. Okay, so I think the market has become bullish. But I will be treating it bullish above this 41.55. Above it. Below it, I'm not treating it bullish. Yes, my friend, now the real drama is going to start. I am not going to treat it bullish above. Otherwise, let's see if this is a Fibonacci number. Slight break below, close above. So yes, this is a Fibonacci number. So let's see above this. Did anyone took this buy? Good 50 pips it's giving. Good. Now it needs to be rejected from here. Then this level will be throwing it back up. Then that level will be throwing it back down. And then maybe finally a break below. Or it go up, give us a breakout, retest, continuation. This can happen right here as well, right now. Let's see, okay? Let's see. Let's see. I'm not I'm looking at the RSI as well, see? So no, let's see, let's wait. 15-minute candles will be telling us a lot today. Let's see GBP USD standing still, JPY standing still, silver dropping. 52.16 can be a good buying level for silver. GBP JPY DXY dropping. Okay, US 30, US 500 going up. D40, let's see, Euro GBP US Tech got rejected from there on the 1 minute. We need to see that what this market can do to us. Let's see, okay. We will be looking at it. Let's see in case of a breakout. There is then this. Let's wait for this candle to close in 1 minute, then we see. Is it really going up? Well, yes, it is going up, but I'm further waiting a little bit for it. Volume seems to be appearing. Not as usual, but still the volume is the volume. Let's see if it sustain above this level. Then I can go for hedging. Otherwise, I let the sell run. RSI is already above 80. I might be doing some hedging and stuff today. This is then another level. Ultimately, it will be trying to reach to this level because the H4 is candle is closing. Okay, got it. First, I go for hedging. Okay, I go for hedging first. Then I will show you how to release this hedging, but later. For now, I want to book something from the market today. I want it to drop first and give me profit for this sell, because if it go up, it will be then going up like too much fast. Then very sooner it is not coming back down. Okay, it is not coming back down then. And this 15-minute candle, this 5-minute candle is strong bullish engulfing. So I hope it drop till here again, little bit of it, even still that will be enough to maybe add another buy from here, so there will be very less difference in these two trades. Let's see. We are not going to be afraid of the market. Pray call, so azan, so let's patiently listen to it. Let me turn on the background music. Move stop to break even, okay? Move stop to break even, my friend. Just one moment, okay? Who sold? Uh, didn't you? You sold with 100 pips stop loss. Move to break even. How beautiful trade opportunity it was. 20 pips it's giving me you. It's good. Be aware of this level as well. 41.53. Who was asking me, can we buy? If we get a good chance, then we can buy. We will be looking for RSI as well, and then we see, okay, what this market is going to give us further. Because then there is this level as well. Move stop to break even or either book your profits, okay? Because market is in an indecision. H4 is going to close. M15 is going to close in 2 minutes, and H4 in is let's see, if this level still can give you around 50 pips for the day, but move stop to break even. I mean, my friend, why taking so much risk, huh? Market is giving profit, book it. Yes, this market is not running out of opportunities, and we are not going to chase the markets, okay? Not at all. Wow, look at this. If I sell now, the Nasdaq 41 pips. 41 pips of a stop loss, but very low volume today. See, is not moving like other days. So my friends, since the market is slow, let's see. I'm waiting for this H4 candle to close, then we can see some maybe big volume. 41, 42 it can be. And everyone, subscribe the channel. Don't go without subscription and the bell notification. So tomorrow every day I come 5 p.m. My time zone is GMT plus 5. So 5 p.m. I come, set an alarm, anything if you want to learn new concepts on the live chart. I don't do it in the recorded videos. Why I don't do it in the recorded videos? Because if I do it in the recorded videos, what will happen? People will just come and will just watch and go. I want to share it with you during the streams. Most people don't know about it. To those who stay in the stream, they get real knowledge. Okay, so sometimes I will be more energetic, sometimes I will be said, you know, my friend, this is life, right? This is life. Every time it is not possible to be so much energetic. Can you say every time a person will be energetic? No. Sometimes there will be days where I will be silent. Sometimes there will be days where I will be speaking more. Sometimes I will be laughing just like yesterday, the day before. Sometimes I will be a little bit calm, a little bit just lost in the markets, a little bit lost in my personal stuff. Sometimes I will be just calmly, patiently observing the market when in such days when they are slow. Okay, every day I come right here, I draw these lines, these levels for you, I teach these things for you, to you, so that you guys become better traders. Okay, so that we can bring that positive change in trading. So let's wait for this H4 candle to close. Didn't you move stop to break even? Okay, anything can happen, this is market, so it's better to manage your trades properly. $41.52, maybe I can look for, let's see. Okay, H4 is closing and H4 seems like if it closes as this will be the intraday resistance 41.61. So then there will be the next chance that the next candle can open, take a retest of that and then come back down, or it just continue, first come back down, take the low of these previous candles and then continue going back up and stop right here, and then the next candle open and try to come back down, take the retest of the low of the previous candle. This is classic price action. So that's why I'm telling you, move stop to break even or book profits, because see, it is around giving how much, 26 pips. There will be days coming where you will be getting 100 pips from the market, but everything with patience, not without patience, with patience. Everything we will be getting it, everything we will be getting it with patience. No hurry, no hurry at all. Let's have a look at the 5-minute candles. See how, where was that, how like look at it, how this little information gave us this sell trade. Okay, my story is different, but for example, you are someone who are looking for around quick profits from right here easily. In such situations it gave around how much, 31 pips it shows, and further it can give. Okay, because then there are several levels that we need to observe on the 1 minute. But in such situations, my friend, when the H1 is closing, my friend, it can be risky. Okay, see how beautiful profits it's giving us, beautiful 37 pips. My story is a little bit different. Okay, I am stuck in a sell trade, and if I tell you honestly, this is an emotional trade, and this is one of my problem. I need to fix it. Sometimes I get emotional because I obviously have a lot of the other responsibilities right here, looking at the stream and stuff like that. But overall, I think it can take another drop from here. But let's wait for the H4 candle first to close. This was a good level for buy, but anyways, from right here I was willing to buy with 0.05 today. Let's see, next candle will close, open. Let's see. We are not in a hurry. We are not in a hurry. Great, didn't you? That's great. Yes, H1 and H4 candle on my broker will close soon. H1 is closing for everyone. H4 might not be closing on TradingView and or other brokers. See, the bulls are a bit crazy now at this level. Till this level, market was nicely coming down. But when it hit level, see, now if you were someone who were looking for buy, you got 24 pips of a buy. Right now, I draw this level for you. Right now. Now, if it break this level, then it is going up. What the daily candle suggests us at the moment is not visible, but let's see, the H4 is closing, so we need to closely observe in next 6 minutes. It will be setting our direction, because this level, see, this candle is holding, my friends. This level is holding, and I'm a little bit more sad why I took this sell trade, but no problem, I'm not afraid of anything. I will handle. This pound dollar is good. If I can close half of it, I definitely would be closing half of it. But obviously it can come back down a little bit, maybe till here, and then continue bullish. We know, no problem, we know. We know that later what it is after all going to give us. Let's see, 41.52, if it break below, is nicely coming back down to the sell area where I will be closing this sell deal if I get a chance. If not, it's okay. I will say it was not my day. Simple. In 4 minutes the candle is closing. So that's very much important for us, my friends. That is very much important for us. Let's see. Patiently wait. If this candle closes as this will be a bearish engulfing. The next candle can go take a retest and continue coming back down. But everything depends on that 5-minute candle, and H4 and H1, every candle is going to close except daily, weekly and monthly. 2 minutes left only. This was a very good buy, but I get trapped emotionally. That's why I say emotions are not good in trading. I thought that I will quickly book 70 pips and the story will finish. But since I followed the emotion, so now I'm stuck. I'm like not getting afraid of the market or something. But the thing is, what I see and what I do, I should communicate that to you as well. That see this mistake I did, you don't do this mistake, okay? So I will get rid of the position, no problem. That's not a big deal, it's just 0.01. But at least I want to, and the purpose of my live stream is obviously this, that even if I do a mistake, I want to tell you that those who tell you live that we don't do any mistake and 100% of the time this will happen and that will happen, they are false. The direction might be good, but trading wise sometimes emotions are involved in it and you should understand it. That's why I'm telling you, and that's why I come live right here. Okay, the H4 closed, my friend. The H4 closed. What happened to the MT5? But maybe the next candle can first go up and take the high and then come back down. Let's see, the M15 closed bearish, but not very clear. The thing is, my friend, this candle, you see the 5 minute, it could not break below. Break below from his. For let's see this candle, if it break below this level or not. If market come back down 41.49, maybe I will be adding a buy and closing this sell, but that will depend on that time. Okay, it will depend on time. Time will decide, my friend. Time is the best teacher we ever have. Those who say time is not our good teacher is false. It's completely false. Time is our good teacher. So promise me you are going to give me. Just do pray, do whatever you can. I need 20k subscribers by the end of the year. So we still have 1 month left. I will come live every day and try to share these streams in the groups you have. I mean literally everywhere you can. Do share it for me, for my sake. Okay, this is the request. And try to come every day to the live stream. Something you will learn from right here. Something you will definitely learn from right here. So it's okay if it wasn't a very good day, excellent day, just like other days. It's okay. We also didn't lost much. I also didn't lost much. Instead, you get that knowledge of the H4 bullish engulfing and H1 bearish engulfing. And when this situation occurs, what happens? Market has no clear direction. And you have seen, you have observed. See, H1, sorry, H1 bearish engulfing. Remember this forever, bearish engulfing. And H4 bullish engulfing. And on what day? Bank holiday. So what's next? It means it refers to indecision. This is that knowledge that you are getting from the sessions. Those who left early, they missed this information, indecision. Remember it forever. This concept is applicable forever, okay? In such situations, market will be indecision. So if it is in indecision, even sometimes it can be challenging to trade on the M5, M1, M15 as well. And if one traded these levels during this situations, should be placing tight SLs and should know in mind that just like Aftab, they can be taking into emotional trading decisions and later the market continue bullish against him and hedging the position. But no, my friend, what did I say this whole week? I am not going to be afraid from this market. Now, even if it take the whole account from me, still I'm not afraid of this market. I will be trading and I will be trading. So yes, this is it. I can leave my screen open, okay? So if I get any chance, I can then, I want to record these trades actually. Okay, I want to record these trades. Otherwise, I speak almost like 2 hours today as well. So promise me you are going to spread this message. Honesty is right here for all of you. Clear? So take a lot of care of yourself, and tomorrow I will update you about these positions, that what I did about them. Okay, it will be there, don't worry. Maybe if I say, oh, I don't like these, I don't want to be into these positions and I'm anyways hedging, so it's not giving me any further loss or any further profit. So maybe a time can come, if it is still moving as this, I can close both of them. Okay, tomorrow I will update you about it. And if the market, we need to know that if this market we book profit from the market, there will be days coming that it will be taking it back from us as well. But the clever and the best trader is the one who protects his whole profits. Okay, so even if I'm stopped out on the, even if I close them right now, my other profits are still the same and I'm in net profit. Okay, so not a very big deal. So thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, so maybe I can come early a little bit as well. So let's see what tomorrow brings then. From now let's see if we have any news tomorrow or not. If we have any news for the cat, there is GDP month on month. Wow, let's see the cat then a little bit. It's been quite some time I haven't seen CAD. So let's see CAD as well. Let's see CAD, my friend, as well. Do we have something to trade? Well, let's see. Swing low to swing high. Simple formula, okay? No complicated stuff at the moment. 61.8% retracement. And then from again swing high to swing low. This is the 61.8. So this is that other level. Well, at this moment people entered into this market with the anticipation that they are going to push the price higher, but this trade opportunity has a profit of 50 pips and a stop of 18 pips on the H1. Let me take it because it has very less stop loss. Okay, it has less stop loss. 45 pips TP and around 1:1, but it's hardly moving, so let's see what it gives us. or I think let me set a little stop loss for it. Okay, not too much. 22 pips I'm taking a risk on it, and 45 pips I'm taking as a profit. And let's see gold as well, again bullish. Let's see. But the thing is, it is bullish, and it will be bullish. Did you book profit, didn't you? Wow, the market is getting interesting further. Oh, my friend, do you see this? I added one more position right here and as a buy, and stop loss is right here. This is a fresh position, okay? The hedging stuff is different. So let's see it tomorrow, right? Whatever it is, it will be in front of all of us. If I book profit or if I book loss, whatever it is, it will be all in front of us transparently, right? So this is this trade, and I think then the take profit is supposed to be right here. And where is the stop loss? I need to delete the stop loss for the hedging trade, obviously, because it is hedging. So I will see what is coming up next, because now I think maybe it can do this, right? Because even if we see it on the H1 still, and there is this stop loss. What is this? This is okay, take profit for the other buy, because I will be trying to leave it. And this is, let's suppose if it hit the TP 142 pips, then how much I have stuck in this hedging position, and if I close it, how much I have stuck. Let's see the difference from here till there, 82 pips. So well, yes, it's also good. If it hits this TP, I can close the position and 142 pips profit will come, and this difference I will book it as a loss. So still I will be left with profits by the end of the day. But the thing is, RSI is also above and total confusion is going on, so it's better I stop trading further today. Otherwise I can get trapped into the market, because when the markets are slow, especially on gold, I don't do very good on those days. Anyways, I'm leaving this one by 0.01, and with this much stop loss, and if it hits, it hits. Stop loss is 111 pips, take profit is 142 pips, and rest of the two positions are on hedge. But if the take profit hits, then I definitely, or if I get a chance to trade 0.05 even quickly, I will be closing all of these deals on gold, right? So take care of yourself, and do let me know about your health and everything, and do show up tomorrow as well. We will be getting something from the market. Great, okay, great, didn't you? That's great. But try to properly uh, manage your positions. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you next time. Till then, take care, love you all, and